I just want to be
The
lazy.
last topic we're going to touch on in this part is called tempo. And tempo means the rate of speed, how fast the beats are going. Now, in the modern world, we can represent tempo very precisely by what is called a metronome marking. And it says how many beats per minute we want the tempo to be. So if we said 60 beats per minute, well, that would be 1 beat per second. So that's pretty easy to recognize. 120 beats per minute would be twice that fast. It's about like this. And it goes up to about 180, even 230, which is pretty fast. It can be faster, but usually you don't see a marking more than about 230. It can be drastically slower too, like maybe 30 or even 20 beats per minute. 20 would be. Or a 1 beat every 3 seconds. So that's pretty drastically slow. And in the studio, we certainly use that a lot. And in modern music, you often see a metronome marking where the composer has told us exactly how fast it should be. But some composers do not want to be that precise about it. And of course, tempo in music has been around much longer than the invention of the metronome, even though the metronome has been around for a couple of centuries or more. Sometimes, rather than giving a metronome mark, the composer will say, make it fast, or very fast, or slowly, or incredibly slowly. And sometimes they are in English, but just like dynamics, they're more often in Italian. So we have to learn a lot of Italian words. And there's lots of words for tempos, just like there'd be lots of English words to describe speed. So this screen has a number of tempo marks that would be good for you to know. And it might seem like a lot, but I promise there are even more in this world. These are all Italian words. Largo, which was very slow. It actually means large, like the beats are large. Grave, seriously. Adagio just means slow. Andante actually means you walk. So that's sort of a walking speed. Moderato, moderately. Allegretto, a little fast. Allegro actually means quickly and happily. Allegro is happily. Vivace, lively. Presto, fast. Prestissimo, you remember issimo is a superlative ending in Italian. So prestissimo is about as fast as you can stand. If it says prestissimo, be ready to move along.